Flowers and its parts. A plant has different parts. These parts are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. But all kinds of plants do not bear flowers. The plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. The plants that do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Seasonal flowers. All the flowering plants do not bear flowers in the same season. Different plants bear flowers in different seasons. Some flowers may bloom only for one season, and some may bloom for more than one season. Depending upon when the flowers bloom, these plants can be called as annuals, biennials, or perennials. Annuals. These plants live for one season only. Their flowers bloom only once in a single season. Sunflower and marigold are examples of annual plants. Biennials. These plants live for 2 years. They produce flowers and seeds in the second year and then they die. Pansy and forget-me-not are examples of biennial plants. Perennials. These plants live for more than 2 years. They bloom every year. Daisies and poppy are examples of perennial plants. Parts of a flower. Flowers have the following parts: sepals, petals, stamen, and carpel. Sepals protect the flower when it is a bud. Petals are bright in color and sometimes have a sweet smell. Stamen is the male part of the plant that contains filament and anther. Anther contains pollen grains. Carpel is the female part of the plant that contains stigma, style, and ovary. Ovary has ovules. For making the fruit, pollen grains are carried from one flower to another by wind, water, small insects, etc. Uses of flowers. Flowers are used as decorative items in the houses, offices, and restaurants. Flowers are used for worshipping. Some women wear flowers in their hair. Garlands of flowers are used in wedding ceremonies or to welcome guests. Some flowers are used as herbal medicines. Some flowers are used as vegetables like cauliflower. Cloves are dried flower buds of clove tree. Rose is used to make gulkand and perfumes. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers to make honey. Saffron is also obtained from flowers. Know more. A person who sells flowers is called a florist. Points to remember. A plant has different parts such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. A flower has different parts such as sepals, petals, stamen, and carpel. Some plants bear flowers in particular season, while some plants bear flowers throughout the year. Flowers are useful to us in many ways.